Thank you very much, dear forum participants, dear organizers. So first of all, I would like to welcome all of you. Especially, I would like to thank the organizers for very important topic, as Mr. Ziad mentioned. Very briefly, I will give you general information about insurance market, existing challenges, problems, and how we can solve them. Very briefly, Azerbaijan insurance market started to develop systematically from 2000s. With the decree of Haydar Aliyev in 2001, Ministry of Finance started to regulate insurance market, and approach to this market became very systematic. In 2009, President Ilham Aliyev signed decree on establishment of state insurance control service, and that service regulates our market. We have insurance association active, and all insurance and reinsurance companies are covered by this association. On insurance market, I want to say that this market consists of three parts. Control mechanism is done by government control agency, from one side companies, and Azerbaijan Insurance Association, which brings these two sides together. In Azerbaijan, there are 27 insurance and one reinsurance company. Besides, we have companies which provide mediatory services as well. In Azerbaijan insurance market, for today, there are 2,700 people are employed, and if we look at the per capita income as a salary, a person gets over 1,000 manat of salary, approximately 1,065 manat per person. So one of the main indicators of each economy is assets. The assets has the value of 880 million manat. In comparison with 2004, in 2014, the assets increased for over 30%, which means insurance actives assets become formulated, more systematic. When we are talking about insurance, there are two types. Insurance fees, how much is accumulated here and how much is paid. If we look at 2004 and 14, in collected amount, 6.5 times. In the paid amount, over 10 times of increase happened. And today, as Mr. Zaur mentioned, over 430 million manat is collected yearly. And every year, approximately 150 million manat is paid as salary. And the figures increase every year. If we look at last year's figures, we see that there is 30% of increase in comparison with 2013. And for this year, we think approximately 30% of additional increase will happen in insurance payments. Insurance divided in two parts: obligatory and voluntarily. Obligatory car insurance, etc. But voluntary covers approximately 60%, and obligatory mandatory only 1/3. In 2015, we are expecting to have the same balance. I want to pass over certain slides quickly, not to take much of your time, just to focus on certain slides. In Azerbaijan, investment activities of insurance companies. In 2004, as a result of investment activities, approximately 11 years ago, just 2.5 million manat was earned. In 2014, this figure was over 34 million manat, and at present, International Finance Corporation cooperated with us. We discussed this issue with Ministry of Finance as well, to give more investment tools to insurance companies so that they could get more income from here. If related to taxes paid in 2004-2014, there is approximately 45% of increase, and 31 million manat was paid to government budget from insurance market. Concerning per capita insurance fees, starting from 2006, indicators increased for 4.4%. But of course, in comparison with Western or Eastern European countries, this is much less. And for us, today we have much more potential. Just one example. As Mr. Zaur mentioned, in Azerbaijan, in comparison with GDP, insurance plays 0.7% role. If we take general statistics, World Bank statistics shows that in majority of European countries, this is 4-6%. So if we take our GDP, which is approximately 59 billion manat, in the best case and the ideal situation, potential is 2.5 billion manat. Of course, we understand that insurance is very young, new, and we don't have insurance culture yet widely spread among population. But at least for today, it is over 1 billion manat. And you can multiply each by 2. And concerning literacy education, you may see that in less than 1 year and a half, insurance information increased considerably. And also, Ministry of Finance has special plan. At present, we are discussing it within our association. It consists of 4 sites, and one of them is dedicated to customer satisfaction. Approximately 25-30% of 2 years program is dedicated to the customer satisfaction. We are living in ICT, and insurance can be easily sold online. So processes should be simplified, facilitated, so that within 5-6 days a person can get payment, insurance payment. And we think that this action plan is intended till 2017. If it's realized, that we believe will be realized up to 17. If we take all these measures, market it can be covered by 1 billion manat of turnover. And there is such potential, and we are sure that the market will increase. Thank you very much for your attention.